Hiring a fitness marketing agency for your business reminds me of going into a car garage when your car is broken. You go in there with a problem, you don't know what it is, and also you don't know how much it's going to cost you. So you go in there blind and the mechanic will tell you what's wrong with it and also how much it's going to cost. And that could be anything. The point I'm making here is there's so many online fitness marketing agencies helping fit pros that the market has got very, very competitive because the barrier to entry to set up an agency is so low. You almost only need a laptop to set one up. And with so many online marketing agencies, they're all competing for your work. And honestly, they'll tell you that they can help you through their unique mechanism that they've probably got for their business that no one else uses in their space, but they may not specialize in your niche or in the fitness niche. In this video, I want to talk to you about when is the right time to hire a fitness marketing agency for your online fitness business, and I also want to share some of the mistakes we made so that you don't make them as well. Let's dive straight in. So believe it or not, when we first set our business up in 2017, we knew nothing about marketing. And at the time, my business partner actually started doing the marketing for our online business, but something wasn't quite clicking. And I had the idea of outsourcing the marketing to an agency that specialized in our field and really could help us grow our business and get results faster. So we did. We were recommended a marketing agency and we had an onboarding call where honestly they sold us the dream. They talked about their marketing strategy and framework and the results that they were going to get for us. They then requested all the assets and everything that they needed for us to get going. And at the time, we didn't know what to expect. It was almost like we were in that car garage scenario. We were very excited for the results to come, but we didn't know what to expect. And 1 month passed and they were still building. They were collecting assets from us and they were giving us a report back to say, look, we're building your funnel, we're building your traffic system, and we should be live soon. So we were excited still and we couldn't wait to strike gold. And 2 months passed and we still didn't have any paid traffic system. We didn't have any predictable way to generate leads for our online business, but the company was still giving us fancy answers to say what they were doing. And then the 3rd month rolled around, and at this point we were getting a little bit concerned because we were spending $2,000 on the agency fee for them to help build out our traffic system, but still we didn't have any leads. And by this point we'd invested $6,000 from our business to really get this off the ground, but yet still no leads, prospects or clients for our online business. So at this point we're at $6,000 invested and still no results. So we finally launched in the 4th month and we were super excited, and honestly it just bombed. It did not work. We had a fancy funnel that just wasn't converting. We had this hugely complicated traffic system that even I didn't understand at the time, and we weren't getting the results that we wanted. We were super disappointed because at that point we've invested $8,000 plus $2,000 in ad spend, and we had really nothing to show for it but a fancy funnel and a fancy traffic system in our ads manager. We were honestly devastated. We'd spent $10,000 of our profit from our business and we didn't have that much profit to really invest, but we were committed to the process and we really wanted to get a predictable marketing machine. And after 4 months and $10,000 invested, we decided to pull the plug. We decided to leave that agency, and that was the day that I decided to take on the marketing for the business. And at the time I thought there must be an easier way. This just seems so overcomplicated. There were so many other people that I saw in our space getting results with Facebook ads, and I was like, there must be a predictable way to make this work for our business. So it was time to get to work. I bought courses, I invested in masterminds, I even hired one of the best online marketing coaches to help me grow my online fitness business, and I still work with him today. And on reflection, at the time, we did think it was a huge waste of money and time to invest in that agency, but we learned 2 really big differences in the agency space. And that first difference is keeping my marketing simple. There's so many agencies out there that create these fancy frameworks and strategies, build all these funnels and paid traffic systems, but honestly, that just confuses you and also makes it very difficult for me to get results. The second biggest difference with my marketing agency is I'm very transparent about how I'm going to get you results. The thing is with digital marketing, it's all tracked so you can see what's happening. So a lot of these agencies try and bring you on, obviously you spend that money, but if you're not getting results, you'll get found out very, very quickly. And you're probably thinking, well, why am I telling you this? And honestly, I don't want you to make the same mistakes that we did and spend all that time and money investing in an agency if you're not ready to do it yet. So when should you hire a online fitness marketing agency for your online fitness business? In short, there's probably 3 things that you need to consider before hiring an agency. agency. The first one is you need a specific niche for your online fitness business. And if you're not sure what a niche is, then go back and watch some of my other YouTube videos where I talk about online fitness niches. The second major point before hiring an agency is you need an online proven offer and you need to have sold it several times at a high ticket price. What do I mean by a high ticket price? I mean that it's well over $1,000 or even $2,000 because this really helps with paid traffic. If you're selling at a low ticket offer, so $100, $200, it's very, very difficult to get results with paid traffic. The third point to this is you really want to have a comfortable amount of revenue in your online fitness business. We see a lot of coaches come to us and really look for Facebook ads to be the savior to help grow their business. But if you're not doing close to $10,000 a month in revenue, honestly, you need to just keep doing your organic and then invest when you hit over that 10,000 mark. Also know that Facebook ads isn't the golden ticket to scale your business. It's a tool to help you scale once you've got the foundations set. It's the fuel to the fire. If you pour fuel on an unproven offer and a very broad niche, you'll just put the fire out and honestly, you'll probably go out of business. Don't turn to Facebook ads as a quick fix. It's a long-term investment to help you scale your business strategically through paid traffic. And from working with over 300 online fitness coaches, either coaching them with paid traffic or working with them directly in my agency and doing the traffic for them, in my opinion, the sweet spot, like I've already mentioned, to hire an agency is that $10,000 mark. Once you hit that $10,000 mark, you might want to scale past it, but you have the revenue in your business to invest in the agency fee and also the paid traffic cost. You also will have a proven niche at this point and you're selling it comfortably to get to that $10,000. So you've proven out your business and you have the foundations to build on and scale from there. So to conclude, do what I say, not what I do. And I joke, but if you're serious about growing your online fitness business and you're looking at hiring an online fitness marketing agency, then ask yourself the following questions. 1, do you have a specific niche? So an example of a specific niche would be diabetic dads or female entrepreneur moms. Number 2 is, have you proven out your offer? So have you sold your coaching program several times at a high ticket price and you're confident in selling it? And number 3, have you got the revenue to invest not only in an agency fee, but also the Facebook ad spend? If the answer is yes to all 3 of these questions, then you might be ready to hire a fitness marketing agency for your business. If you're serious about growing your online fitness business to the next level, the next thing you want to do is check out the video I've got linked up here on fitness marketing Facebook ads. In this video, I talked to you about profitable Facebook ads for online coaches and personal trainers. So make sure to check that out and I'll see you in the next video.